Hey guys, welcome to Gluten Curious. Today in Quarantine Kitchen, we are going to be having a salmon cook-off.
Yes.
I have a very simple recipe. Josh is going to be doing something.
Experimenting with different things.
Are you going to use our steak seasoning?
No.
These are all the ingredients I need for my fish. I just cut open my packet and I'm just gonna let that slide into that. That's great.
Beautiful. That's really something.
So I take some of the seasoning and sprinkle it on here. So I just cut a lemon in half and I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice all over the salmon.
All right.
Oh my god.
There's my butter. I'm gonna get more now.
Oh my gosh, pick it up.
Butter.
Josh added butter to his pan.
Yep.
After he spilled some on the floor. Butter.
The butter is all natural. So it's time to add the fish. I'm using a nice cut of salmon.
Is that fresh?
Fresh caught, actually.
Yep.
Fresh from the bag.
Real fresh.
All right. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of salt. Yep, good. A little bit of pepper. I love my
Cayenne is just for color, Josh.
That's paprika.
So I set a timer for 7 minutes, and now I will flip it. Oh, that's not ready yet.
Hey. And now I'm adding a bunch of
Those aren't
mustard seeds.
Oh.
Why you ask? The final product will really tell you.
Now going back to my fish, I flipped it over and I am adding the same seasoned spice blend to this. Somehow it looks very unappetizing on the camera. You said some roasted. All right, now I'm gonna take. I squeezed technically half of the lemon, so now I'm gonna squeeze the other half of the lemon.
Shout out to egg bread.
Oh, how come yours looks so much better than mine?
It's almost like I cooked.
So that's Joshua's, and this is mine. It normally turns out better. I don't know what happened. Oh my goodness. So extra. Josh, look at this bubbling though. I asked Josh if we could just go eat already. He says, wait, I'm not done yet. And takes my used lemon. So Joshua and I have completed the cooking competition. All right, let's get a close-up view. She is beauty, she is grace.
I just did better, so yeah.
All right, we don't need more angles of this one because yeah, we get it. We get it, Josh.
All right, so first bite, let's go. Let's see how this is. All right, so first of all, nice and flaky. It's perfectly cooked. I feel like that's a weird angle, but it tastes really good too.
What does it taste like? What are the textures and the intonations of
You wanna
the fish?
try it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right off the bat, it doesn't smell fishy.
If you're eating seafood and it smells fishy, it's probably not good.
It has a really nice crust on it.
Yeah, it's like cooked right.
And the mustard seeds has like a nice crunch, and it has really good spice. Like it's spicy. All right, maybe I'll rate that a 10 out of 10, maybe. All right, time for my masterpiece. So right off the bat, that's my fault. It's still a good cut.
Well cooked.
Mine is well cooked. You can see here. Okay. No crust at all. It's a lemony.
Oh wow, really?
And
I
soft.
wonder why.
It has some spices in it. It's okay. Just bit into some salt here. Alright, now Josh has the honors, the absolute privilege
Of trying your feet.
of trying this bad boy. Also, I think I should have rinsed the fish. Oh wait, but you didn't rinse your fish either.
I did not.
How come it turned out so much better than mine? I want to blame it.
You can tell that mine was definitely cooked longer. I just bit into something squishy and wet.
Josh, salmon is fish.
And that's a lot of lemon, wow. It has a little bit of a fishy taste, not gonna lie. If you're eating seafood and it smells fishy, it's probably not good. It does. A lot of lemon, but overall, like, still edible. I'd give it 7 out of 10.
Josh, that's way too high for this meal. So that's it, guys. Thanks for checking out this episode of Quarantine Kitchen.
Let us know down in the comments who you want to see cook more, her or me.
You know what? I would love to know that. And don't worry, if you comment, I know where to find you. Just kidding. We all love watching Josh cook more. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some more of my videos. See you next time.